Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So in here, you cannot just open the Amazon Prime application on your iPhone. You'll have to get to the browser. So you can either open your Google or Google Chrome, or you can simply get to the Safari. So on your browser here, you'll have to type www.primevideo.com and then tap on the search button. Then you'll get to the Amazon Prime Video browser. So from here, you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So currently, as you can see, I am already logged into my account. So after logging in here on the home page, you'll get the option of Prime Video member sign in. So if you already have subscribed to the Amazon Prime Video, you can simply tap on it. Since we haven't done that, you'll have to tap on this option, start your free trial. So after tapping on it here, you'll get the option of adding your credit or debit card. So all you have to do is write down the name of your card number, expiration date, and then here you can also see the option of use as default payment. If you want this to be your default payment, you can select this option just like this. And in here, you can also see the option of use name on account. So if you want to use your card name on your account, you can also tap on it just like this. And then from here, you can add down the card number. And then your expiration date. And all you have to do is tap on add your card. And then you'll be able to successfully subscribe to Amazon Prime on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.